New video, 2020 Toyota Corolla. I think I figured out how to reset the maintenance. First of all, when you're not ready to drive, you have to press the reset button. It's at nighttime, deal with it. Reset button. And then you hit these little buttons over here. Bam, bam, bam. They call this the meter. So, or over here on the meter, control the switch to the gear button. Hold on, we're at the gear button now. Gear button. Okay. Now what? Up and down. Wait, I lost it. What happened? Bam. Gear button. Vehicle settings. What are we gonna do? Okay. Hold OK. Vehicle settings. Schedule maintenance. Press OK to reset. Reset data. Yes. Reset complete. Okay, now the stupid light's off. Oh my god. So the other thing didn't work. Why does it blink though when I tried the other thing? But you're finally able to reset it. Page 428 on your owner's manual. RTFM. Read the manual. Right there. So simple. And that's how you reset your tire pressure thing as well. So okay, now we know. Okay to change settings. Set pressure. We're going to say OK to reset the tire pressure. Hold OK. Because you should reset it anyway. Setting tire pressure warning system. Now it knows. Not ready to drive. Why are we not ready to drive? We're ready to drive. Why are we not ready to drive still? Change wheel. Change wheel? What the hell? That's interesting. So I didn't even know this whole thing existed over here. Look at that. 0 miles a gallon. Look, we can put it on digital. That's pretty cool. I gotta show Crazy Man that. That's cool. Distance empty. That's really cool. Vehicle settings. What the hell is RSA? I don't know. Is that oh, I think that might be for the PC pre-collision system off. Okay. Is that bad? I don't know. We turned it off. What about that adaptive cruise thing? Off. Turn it off. I don't know. Turn it off. We don't care. Maybe somehow, yeah, I think you could turn off the adaptive cruise. Hold OK for details. What the hell are detail settings? What the hell is RSA? I don't know. Vehicle settings. Eco on. Oh, what the hell is MID? I don't know what MID is. There's some way you can turn off the adaptive cruise though. I think this is the button or that's a button. There's some way you can turn it off, but oh well, that's improved. Let's see, we shouldn't get the light now. Excellent, beautiful. So our car is good. The oil has been changed on this because the oil looks brand new. That's cool. Okay, ride around this thing one more time. Now we get digital speedometer like car. Let's just test it out. Put it on auto. Backup camera. Just take this thing for a spin around the neighborhood. 428 in your owner's manual. 428. Close that. Let's take this thing. Turn this stupid light off. We got Fox News on. Murdoch Times. Can we get this thing up to a couple miles an hour in reverse? Can we? Can we? Hold on. Hell yeah, 3 miles an hour in reverse. You can tell how fast you went when you crash into something. Whee! I love my Toyota. Alright, I like it again. I can't even see. My hat's all screwed up. Let me take that off. Then I gotta give the keys back to Bozo guy. 10 o'clock, we fixed it. I like these. I don't know. Alright, I like the car now that we figured it out. A little more complicated. But read RTFM, read the manual. That's all you gotta do. Let's go in the back. So you get that CVT transmission. I hate that thing. But Toyota actually makes the best one out of all of them. Do not like buy any other brand. Alright, I feel confident about our car now. We should only did this about 2 weeks ago. There's people over there. I'm not driving down there. There's people having a freaking... These people are so weird. They just hang out here at 10 o'clock at night in condo land. Look at these lights though, man. Hear that tire noise? Sounds horrible. It's like... It sounds like a bad wheel bearing. We should have called up the two people who had the numbers in them. Yeah, this is a lot better now. I'm happy about this now. How do we turn that down? That's the volume over there. And I kind of like changed this too around so we get fuel economy. I don't know what I did there, but it's different. Let the next people get confused. This thing drives like a little toy though, man. That's noisy. Tires, Hancooks. Brakes are, I don't know. I wish they'd be a little more touchy. Whoa, we're gonna get wrecked right here. They're driving on the wrong side of the road, these old people. You see this shit? They're old drunk people. They ride on the wrong side of the freaking road. Yeah, cool lights though. It's a pretty dark street. Decent. You know, if you were on like a Merritt Parkway, for my Northeasterner people, you would know that you want like a good set of lights on there. That was a crazy road, especially in this time when at daylight savings time you go up to New England or something. That was a screwed up road built in like the 1920s. It's if you've ever been on it, you should be on it. Moldy Mac lives around there. I won't say a city and town, pretty much privacy. But yeah, on YouTube, Moldy Mac. He has a bunch of old cars. Oh, people are coming, people are coming, people are coming. People are coming. All these people, fuck, man. There's like 6 cars driving around here at 10 o'clock at night. These people do anything around here in condo land? Jesus Christ. We got nasty windows on this thing, too. I should Windex it. What am I going crazy? I love what you do to me. Toyota. That's cool with the digital. I modified it, so now it comes up digital. That's cool. The clock was off on it. We fixed all this. We updated something on it. So it's in better condition than what it was. It's better condition. We should go over the street. That guy still got his trunk open. I don't know, they left him and left like their trunk open. They're probably gonna blame me for it. I'll probably try throwing rocks and shit on my truck. I gotta take it off the charger. Look how low this thing is though compared to Whitey. Alright. I almost hit the emergency brake on the floor, which doesn't exist. Alright, let me go tell him I fixed it. I'd like it again. I wish, I'm just behind the times.